this.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about this.
This is the test flight for Mean Joe Green. Mean Joe Green is not painted yet because if it, hold the rocket. If it sputters on the launch pad or blows up or something, then we didn't waste our time painting. This design comes from the
Super Alpha.
yeah, my engineers are with me. Michael Kingery and Russell Kingery.
This is where the launch
Hi, Michael.
go with
Oh, this is it sticks onto this that goes up.
I'm protecting Sissy's eyes. Okay. So how'd you come up with the name? Mean Joe Green.
I thought a military name would be fitting since this kind of looks like a missile.
Don't launch it now.
So we have no idea how this will work. Don't do that yet, buddy. Don't do that.
This will go in here like this.
Yeah.
Just to give you some height, I'm 5'6".
Yeah.
And so, do you think this is 5 foot?
Yeah, and this is only half of it. There will be another 4-foot section which will go on this and make it about, close to 9 feet tall. But we want to see if the D or E engine, which, by the way, that's a custom made engine mount. Even the metal was fabricated at Kingery Fabricating Incorporated. Custom wings fabricated at Kingery Fabrication.
Let's go on top of that hill
And so
watch it.
here we go.
The barbed wire won't stop.
We need I need some help setting up the launch pad. Why don't you hold the rocket, Russell, right now?
I will hold the
2
rocket.
hands. Hand me that. 2 hands.
Whoa, we launched.
Don't touch that, Michael.
Sis, did you help?
And look at all the rockets that we've
No.
launched. Look at all that.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's our
yeah.
blast pad. Okay, so now we're going to use some rudimentary scientific calculations to figure out the best launch angle, taking into account
By the way,
our distance from major roads.
Dad, just launched it.
This looks like a good area.
Yeah.
have you gotten FAA clearance?
No, and I'm hoping we don't have an issue with the FAA, ATF, let's see, FBI.
Hey, Dad, what is it?
ABS. Is that what you said?
Or FBI. DBF. Hey, Dad, what is it? WBI.
Yeah, all the above, right, Michael?
Look at Aunt Daddy.
Okay, let's see. Okay, Michael, bring over the big stick.
No, one FT. Aunt Daddy.
Yeah, we can toss him in there, see if he wants to go for a ride.
Oh, Dad, I'll pick up an ant and put him right there and let him blast.
Yeah, we'll have. Oh wow, why is that so? Oh, okay, 'cause I can.
Dad, the rocket might launch onto that person right there.
We'll make sure he's well aware of what our intentions are here.
What person? That one.
All right, this is a crucial moment here, Russell.
It's gonna be
Michael,
loud,
Audrey.
Tommy.
Oh, it'll be loud, but hold on, let Dad do this.
We'll tell
No,
you,
let
Sissy,
Dad,
so you
'cause
can.
I just glued these, so I want to make sure.
Then why didn't you give it time to? Why didn't you give it more time to?
NASA doesn't always have time either. The engines! Run to the car, get the engine.
Yeah, there's engines in there.
I mean, the igniter. It's in the engine. Michael,
I'm gonna unwind
will
it.
you walk back? Will you help me with the unwind?
What are your hopes and expectations for this launch,
Hopes.
sir?
Hopes that
We won't lose it and it won't crash into a person or a car.
yeah. They're in the middle console. It's in the middle. My hopes are similar to Michael's. My hope is that it actually takes off.
Mhm.
My other hope is that when it does, it doesn't turn into a surface-to-air missile. And as you'll notice, I'm launching it over quite a bit of dirt here. You got it? Come on.
Okay, here, Audrey. Will you hold that and maybe you can interview Daddy?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, sis.
Audrey, show them the rocket.
Don't mess with it, Michael. Back away.
Okay.
Back away.
It kind of looks like a missile that goes up.